So recently, a popular lawyer called Law by Mike, known for his videos explaining how the law works, has been involved in the Schlep situation, with him explicitly mentioning in the title he's suing Roblox. Not only mentioning Roblox's explicit negligence regarding child safety, but also explaining how the Roblox platform can be legally screwed. Not only that, but Louisiana government has also filed a direct lawsuit to Roblox, claiming they're not doing anything to protect the children. Not only that, but Schlep is planning to release the documentary against Roblox on another OTT platform too. Today, we're going to look into the situation in depth, as well as talking about Schlep countersuing Roblox, so make sure to like and subscribe if you think Schlep is innocent, and let's get into it. So, long story short, Law by Mike, a popular virtual lawyer, had made a video addressing that he's going to sue Roblox with Schlep being featured inside the video. This is not some normal citizen we're talking about. This is a lawyer who has a degree in law and an experience of 12 years in law and someone with a lot of influence. In the video, he talks about how the Section 230 of the US Penal Code can't protect Roblox under any circumstances whatsoever.
Polls prove Roblox knows the risks of off-platform communication, yet it still leaves these obvious workarounds wide open. In court, the usual defense might not save Roblox. Most platforms lean on a law called Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act, and that law protects websites and apps from being sued over what their users post. That's why Instagram or YouTube don't get dragged into court every time someone uploads something harmful. But the lawsuits against Roblox aren't just about what users post. They're about the company itself. Lawyers argue Roblox designed the platform in risky ways, marketed it as safe, and then ignored clear warning signs. And at least one court has already said Section 230 doesn't cover misrepresentation. So if Roblox tells parents this is safe and it's not, that responsibility falls on Roblox, not the users. That's why these lawsuits matter to me. They represent more than just a few individual complaints. They're part of a broader movement pushing tech companies to take accountability, especially when their platforms are hurting younger players. Now, multiple cases are moving forward, and a jury will have to decide if Roblox should be held responsible. And if the plaintiffs win, the fallout could be huge, because it would set precedents that might force Roblox and other platforms like it to overhaul how they verify users and protect younger audiences. And I don't know how this video will perform or how many people will reach, because YouTube flags and restricts videos on this topic. It's kind of scary because people are afraid to put out information on this, but we feel like it's our duty to make sure that everyone knows. If you or someone you know needs help, reach out to us. Thank you for watching.
Now, let's get to the lawsuit. The Louisiana government has filed a direct lawsuit to Roblox, claiming that they didn't do anything to contribute to child safety and only care about profits. Not only that, but the Attorney General of Louisiana, Liz Murrill, also had a meeting where she listed all the suggestive games on Roblox and even games related to actual...
This is the kind of obscene garbage that they are peddling to our children in Louisiana. I will not stand by and watch this company grow exponentially from exploiting children and facilitating child sex for profit.
Some of these games were Escape from Epstein Island and Diddy Party, which is not a good idea to put in a kid's game. Now, let's get into the documentary by Chris, Hansen and Schlep. Schlep announced in a community post that at the CrimeCon panel, he's going to film a documentary with Chris Hansen talking about the fun experiences on Roblox. Ruben Sim even uploaded a tweet announcing that the documentary is going to come soon. And it's not just that, but someone even yelled free Schlep at the panel, according to his own testimony, by the way. Now, let's get to Schlep countersuing Roblox. Schlep claims that he has his lawyers and team to film the documentary and sue Roblox, showing that Roblox is in massive trouble. Now, as I mentioned previously, the documentary is out now on Fox Crime Network. You can view it there. And I'm not going to get in depth about this kind of stuff, but let me tell you, it's terrible for Roblox right now. So yeah, that's all for today. And I hope you realize how much messed up Roblox is, and Law by Mike even got ill will in the YouTube community for protecting the community. Not only that, but kids were even sending death threats to a lawyer who was only trying to protect them, which is not only insane, but also disgusting. If this continues, then all the other kids such as Schlep will be taken advantage of at a very young age, which is something we don't want. We should give these kids 2 to 3 years to understand the current situation. Then they would understand the veracity of the situation and how these people only wanted the best of these kids. And now, this is the end of the Roblox versus Schlep situation. So yeah, that's all for today. But once again, for clarification, this video is for infotainment purposes and may not be fully accurate. Viewers should do their own research, and if any inaccuracies are in the video, we're not going to be held legally accountable. No information in this video should be considered fact or truth without fact-checking, and all materials in this video are completely used under fair use. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new, and comment your thoughts down below about the situation. My Reddit is YouChoofyKoofy, and I'll see you all in my next video. Goodbye.